Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Crypto Boost. Cryptocurrencies have been a big success and at the same time, for some users, a lost situation paradigm. So traders and investors always looking for prediction prices down to the tiniest detail and want to know the answers of these constantly. In today's video, we'll discuss where Vulcan Forged PYR will be in the coming years. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. The whole crypto world is on an edge of a full-fledged bear market. Bitcoin has dropped 50% from its all-time high amid the broader market drops impacted by raging inflation and US Fed rate rises. Investors are dealing risky memes and moving into more stable markets. Crypto is still perceived as a very risky play and hence the sell-off. Our algo still sees a some green in 2022, especially in the alternate part of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. Right now, Bitcoin needs to find a new bottom before we can move in the contrary direction and reverse the trend. Once Bitcoin settles in the new price range, altcoins will start to do the same. We've witnessed this scenario dozens of times in the distant and more recent history. Many experts agree that this bear market will last at least for the first quarter of 2022, before we see some stabilization and small trend reversals. Vulcan Forged is a blockchain game studio and NFT marketplace. However, staking in Vulcanverse land and other means, upgrading and sustaining game asset situations, if we talk about the use of the token, then it's employed for charges and market agreement. True USD is a US dollar stablecoin secured at 11 to the USD. First started in January 2018 to a limited investor base, True USD has grown to include nearly $400 million of backed tokens by October 2021. Interestingly, questions like whether we make any investment in PYR or whether Vulcan Forged PYR will survive in the coming few years are unknown. As of 2022, March 24, Thursday, current price of PYR is $9.78, and our data indicates that the asset price has been in an uptrend for the past year or since its commencement. Vulcan Forged PYR has been showing a rising tendency, so we believe that analogous market segments were very popular in the given time frame. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, it isn't easy to predict and keep up with the current pricing. Numerous crypto analysts come into the play in this regard. The pricing predictions are correct for the mentioned years. Crypto consumers are still concerned about the crypto bans and new restrictions. Vulcan Forged PYR price may cross $13.67 if the market sees a good bull run in 2022, given that it's anticipated to be held by long-term investors. Its average price for 2022 will be around $12.05. That's it for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.